Dear ladies and gentlemen, Rosoboronexport, part of Rostec State Corporation, is the only state intermediary responsible for export and import of the entire spectrum of military and dual-purpose end products, technologies and services. This presentation is about the Security Systems project. Rosoboronexport, being the state intermediary, is able to fulfill the customer's needs with a wide range of small arms, starting from compact and lightweight pistols, ending up with magazine multipurpose grenade launchers. Russian small arms compete with the leaders of the market, improving the accuracy, combat readiness and ergonomics of existing weapons formula, while the legendary reliability always remains of highest level. Our manufacturers upgrade existing product lines and develop new ones according to the market trends and the demands of professional users. Lebedev pistol, for example, has three latest modifications: PLK, MPL and MPL1, which stand for compact, modular and modular with suppression versions. Each of them used 9x19 caliber cartridges, but while the PLK was developed as a first Russian-made short-barrel pistol for the law enforcement agencies, MPL versions are the order from Russian National Guard Service as the pistols with extended modular capabilities. Lightweight, reliable, accurate, Lebedev pistols ensure success of their implementation in each appropriate task. Russian manufacturers upgrade time-tested technologies with modern interfaces such as the VDS SN to double PK-20 transition submachine guns. At the same time, the unique design is being developed, such as double P2000, with its tactical grip and a shoulder stock slot for an additional magazine to be inserted for a fast tactical reload. If there is a necessity for increased penetration, the unique cartridges together with small arms are developed. SR2M, for example, uses 9x21 cartridges that will pierce a 4mm steel plate at 100 meters distance. The Kalashnikov assault rifles with the legendary reliability need no introduction. Several generations have changed each other since the first AK version, leading to modern Ratnik family, which has saved and increased all positive aspects of the Kalashnikov technology, matching the modern requirements for a multipurpose assault rifle implementation. Russian, reliable, time-tested technology with Western accuracy and interface with Picatinny rails. Apart from the weapon, popular all over the world, Russian manufacturers came up with unique, narrow segment decisions such as Shak-12, a 12.7mm assault rifle complex. Shak-12 was developed for counter-terrorist actions when there is a necessity to counter the terrorist under drugs with the help of a powerful shot. The ADS, on the other hand, is an amphibious 545x39 assault rifle with an integrated underbarrel grenade launcher. It offers shooting both above and under the water with just a simple switch on the fire module together with ammo. Russian manufacturers have developed several sniper complexes for any possible conditions and tested and actively implemented by Special Forces units. There are multiple decisions implemented in the product such as modularity, ergonomics, reliability, improved barrel durability, high accuracy, and multifunctional optical devices. Some of the rifles are mass-produced for an average marksman, others are personalized particularly for one experienced sniper. An important part of the sniper complex is an optical device. Rosoboronexport can provide the customers with a full range of tactical and military optics such as red dots, daytime scopes, night vision scopes, monoculars, goggles and clip-ons, thermal scopes and clip-ons, amphibious thermal scopes, intellectual scopes, and other top-of-the-line assets. Every optical device matches the highest requirements in its particular segment on the world market. It is reliable, has increased ergonomics, which speed up the manipulation of control units. The daylight scopes have increased light transmission, enabling the owner to aim even during the twilight. Extremely tight ballistic grip make it convenient to use both first and second focal plane devices in action. The control units for ballistic corrections are convenient and have increased ergonomics. The image quality enables to shoot at the longest ranges possible at the modern warfare with existing sniper complexes of large caliber. Thermoscopes have increased lifetime battery packs, shockproof frames, and high-quality stabilizers, which enable the implementation of the optics even on the automatic large-caliber weapon. Latest software and matrix quality highly increase the convenience of the implementation and, together with the Russian-made laser rangefinder, dramatically decrease the time before the combat readiness. Night vision optical devices starting from monocular and ending with wide-angle goggles are designed with latest EOS. Shockproof and lightweight, they enable to observe night terrain with maximum efficiency for a long period of time. The intellectual scopes, such as Harrier, for example, provide high-quality image and precise long-range shooting. Wireless communication link provides fast and convenient data transfer from the ballistic mobile app. Built-in sensor measure inclination and can angles, ambient temperature, and atmospheric pressure. This digital environment delivers immediate calculation of the angle of sight, thus allowing to perform the most precise shot. Each Special Forces unit should be equipped according to the task that is being set in order to accomplish the mission successfully. That's why Rosoboronexport is able to supply the partners with a full range of individual body armor. Special purpose uniform with increased protective properties against moisture, temperature, fire, and splitters. Bulletproof vests of concealed and usual purpose, including the modular body armor systems with customizable construction. Helmets of first and second protection classes. Ballistic glasses. Bulletproof, tactical, and splitter-proof shields. Bulletproof protective armor plates. The assets mentioned above meet the modern requirements of the users and protect the owner efficiently throughout the mission. But there's one peculiarity that differs Russian individual body armor from the competitors. The NIJ standard allows the obstructive injury from unpierced blade for up to 44 mm, while the Russian GOST standard allows only 20 mm. This means that by using Russian-made armor, you're not only saving your law enforcement personnel, but also ensure their operational functions after being hit by enemy fire. In order to provide the personnel with the mobility, there is a necessity in vehicles. Due to the nature of Special Operation Forces tasks, it is important for a vehicle to have a certain level of protection, increased cross-country ability, and reliable control units. Russian manufacturers have come up with a wide range of special armored vehicles suitable for any possible task of the law enforcement. Russian vehicles have an increased durability, high bulletproof and anti-mine level of protection. We can provide our customers with modular decision, set up a 360-degree video control system, install a turret system, or any additional modern module suitable for a vehicle of such class. Russian manufacturers apply a real combat experience into the special armored vehicles in order for them to match the harshest requirements of modern challenges. Counter-terrorism includes the explosive ordnance disposal activities. Rosoboronexport is ready to supply the customers with a full range of special assets targeted to track, neutralize, and protect from the explosive devices. Russian manufacturers produce reliable, lightweight, and compact nonlinear detectors, EOD intelligence and demining robotic complexes, jammers, and the individual body armor for the EOD activity. Modern counter-terroristic operations are impossible without the implementation of contemporary technologies. One of them is UAV systems. Rosoboronexport has a wide product line of manned aerial vehicles to supply for the needs of the partners. Russian manufacturers produce small, tactical, and special-purpose UAVs. The complexes cover a wide range of tasks, including monitoring of terrain and detection of people during and after emergencies, surveillance of the area taken by terroristic organizations to perform counter-terrorist actions, monitoring and control of national parks, border security, natural and man-made disasters. UAVs are not only used for good intentions. Together with the self-made explosive devices, they become a lethal weapon which can lead to death, injuries and economic losses. Rosoboronexport is glad to provide our customers who are seeking for a reliable decision of this problem with modern electronic warfare assets. Russian manufacturers came up with the portable UAV countermeasures which are able to suppress the drone's control and navigation channels at the distances of approximately 2 kilometers. The mobile UAV suppression complexes such as Repellent Patrol are able to detect an airplane type of UAVs at the distances of 25 kilometers and to suppress them at distances of 20 kilometers. For the drone type UAVs, the characteristics are 7 and 4 kilometers accordingly. These assets can be used directly for the mentioned purpose or within a complex of border and critical infrastructure security. Rosoboronexport has already ensured border security for a wide range of partners, constantly increasing the efficiency of produced and developing new products, complexes and approaches. Our company provides the full range of border security devices starting from the autonomous signal complexes with different trespassing control sensors, ending up with a much more complex, ground automated control systems. Thanks to the longest border in the world, which passes fields, forests, mountains, deserts, rivers, swamps, and seas, Russian manufacturers have a wide range of border security complexes for any climate and terrain. One of the main border security problems is trafficking. The object can differ: human, drugs, weapons, natural resources, but the consequences are always the same: political and economic losses, demise of regional security. Border security assets will help to detect the trespassing, but hiding the prohibited substances or passing the border control unit with fake ID requires slightly different technical equipment. Rosoboronexport is ready to supply the customers with a wide range of cargo inspection systems, which can be both stationary for seaports, border checkpoints, airports and warehouses, as well as mobile ones. The ST2630M, for example, is a mobile cargo inspection system which can detect 4 groups of material, penetrating 320 mm metal container wall with an HDR quality at the speed of up to 20 km per hour. In case there is necessity of inspecting suspicious items, we proudly recommend segment detector. This device solves 2 main problems of any other similar devices. First, no more enormous expenses on consumables for the probes. Second, one device for several operations with personal probe units. The segment shows a red alert light in case something forbidden is detected and sends the information on the material to the command and control unit. Another important issue is destabilization initiated by rival political forces. Usually, riots and manifestations are coordinated via internet. We know how to monitor current situation and how to prevent the state from destabilization. We are ready to share our experience and to supply the most efficient assets, approaches and technologies from this field. But when the moment is lost and the riots are already happening, there is a complex of efficient Russian-made technical assets to be used to stop the forbidden actions. The individual body armor, lightweight, splitter-proof and fire-resistant, that could protect the law enforcement from the fireworks, flammable liquids, rocks and dust. Non-lethal assets such as electric shockers, which could be used both in a contact, clash or distantly. Traumatic weapons with non-lethal cartridges such as traumatic, stun, illuminating, mocking and lacrimatory. Ballistic multifunctional shields such as Scala electric shield or Legion multifunctional complex with non-lethal cartridges, and special purpose vehicles such as Tiger armored vehicle, for example, or Stena special purpose vehicle. Stena protects a squad of law enforcement, enabling it to take active actions using non-lethal assets in order to force protestants out of the streets. Stena is also equipped with a dump for obstacles cleaning and video cameras to capture and monitor the surrounding situation. Modern technology helps to ensure prosperity and stability in cities and regions. Russia is one of the leaders in implementing the Smart Safe City project in order to prevent the risks of crimes, riots and other incidents, as well as to radically increase the comfort of the citizens, and we are ready to supply the best solutions to our customers. A smart city is an integrated informational and service system for city, citizens, services, and infrastructure environment monitoring that digitalizes routine processes and increases the efficiency of urban activity. Smart Safe City project gathers, stores, and analyzes a huge amount of sensitive data, which may lead to catastrophic consequences in case of leakage. In 2023, the security of the state is no longer holistic without reliable cybersecurity systems. Rosoboronexport is ready to offer its customers both a national-level cybersecurity platform and separate cybersecurity decisions for a particular task. The national-level cybersecurity includes a command center, which provides resistance to cyber threats of any difficulty which may lead to the incidence of political, economical, and criminal sphere through IT. The anti-DDoS system, which consists of traffic filtration module and traffic analysis module, which analyzes, monitors, and neutralizes compound DDoS attacks. The firewall, the government regulatory tool for content generations, control of incoming and outgoing and international communications, compliance control. The VPN, providing state authorities and socially significant facilities with secure communication. The Security Web Network, protection of the network communication between citizens and government structures. The Cybersecurity Early Warning System, cyber intelligence that monitors the activity of criminal groups through Internet. And the Cyber Range, cybersecurity educational and training research activity consulting. App Security, the Center for Software Protection that tests the software, searches for vulnerabilities, and gives the recommendations on improvements for the software to make it match the regulator's conditions. One complex platform ensures state cybersecurity on all the levels. State security is a complicated long-term process requiring human, financial, and political resources. Rosoboronexport is always ready to support its partners with the best possible assets to ensure it.